Okay, see this question. This is related to relative motion. Here you can see particles A and particles B. This particle A is thrown with speed u at angle theta, and at the same time particle B is thrown with the same speed u but at angle theta from the negative direction. Okay, but initially particle B is at height h and horizontal distance d away from A. So this is your initial condition, and we have to find minimum distance between A and B, and also we have to find a time after which distance will become minimum. So how do we solve this question? We will go into relative motion. So first of all we look at the relative acceleration. So relative acceleration will be equal to acceleration of B with respect to A, and that is acceleration of B minus acceleration of A. Right. Now since the particles will be following projectile motion, so both of them have same acceleration g. So ABA will be equal to acceleration of B is g vector, acceleration of A is also g vector. So relative acceleration is 0. So in relative motion, the particles are performing uniform motion with no acceleration. Now we find initial relative velocity. Okay, so u of A, u of B with respect to A will be equal to u of B minus u of A. Okay, so if you solve this vectorially, how do you solve this? So this is u of B ub vector, correct? Then here I draw this line. This is minus of ua vector, right? Then this will be my u of B with respect to A. If you observe, this angle is theta, this angle is theta. So the net relative velocity will be horizontal, right? But we can also solve this mathematically if we want to. So u of B is minus u cos theta I cap plus u sine theta j cap. If I take this as positive x-axis and this as positive y-axis, and u of A vector will be u cos theta I cap plus u sine theta j cap. So u of B with respect to A will be what? ub minus ua. So when you subtract them, what do you get? You get minus 2u cos theta I cap. So we have only x component of relative velocity, there is no y component. So here we have uba is equals to 2u cos theta in magnitude. Okay, this is the relative velocity in magnitude. So now we again draw this diagram again. Okay, but we will look at it in relative motion. So in relative motion, we are looking at the relative motion with respect to A. We are looking at relative motion with respect to A. So with respect to A will remain at rest and B will have velocity only along horizontal direction. UBA equal to 2u cos theta, and particle B will follow this horizontal straight line. It will follow this straight line motion with constant velocity 2u cos theta. Okay, so it's going in straight line. So now it's easy to find the minimum separation between the particles. Okay, so when the particle B reaches this point with respect to A, when particle B reaches this point, that's when the distance is minimum. So here we have the minimum distance will be equal to the height over here. So minimum distance between the particles is h. What is the time taken to reach this minimum distance? So that's also very easy. Time taken for the particle B to go from this point to this point. So the time taken will be this distance divided by speed. So time taken will be distance d divided by speed 2u cos theta. That's it. These are your answers.